When it comes to acid reflux, we know it all. Pushing your way through each day with acid reflux can seem not only intimidating but very tiresome. It is painful to boot. You may not realize that there are more things than you know of to help you push acid reflux out of your life. Focus on the tips and tricks that are discussed in this video, and you can surely find a way out. Enjoy your food. If you savor each bite, investigating the flavors and truly allowing yourself to taste it, you will chew more and even eat less. Your stomach will realize it's full when you eat slowly, which allows you to keep your weight in check by eating less and also keep your stomach from overfilling. It is important to avoid vigorous exercise if you deal with GERD. When you are compressing the stomach violently, you'll find that acid makes its way up into your esophagus. Instead, engage in moderate activity which helps you lose weight, stay in shape and yet ensures that acid stays where it belongs. Acid reflux can be a normal reaction of eating too much or too quickly. If you've been experiencing the effects of acid reflux lately, change your eating habits. Improve the content of your meals by adding healthier choices and take the time to chew your food well. Your digestive tract will appreciate it and you should not suffer with acid reflux. So much to help combat acid reflux, use something to raise up your bed at the head portion only. Lift the head of your bed by placing risers, bricks or wooden blocks beneath the legs. The head should be raised about 6 inches or so. This keeps acid in your stomach where it belongs. Hopefully the tips and advice that have been discussed in this video have given you the confidence you need to close the door on acid reflux. Now is the time to put your plan into action so that you can produce the results you're looking for. Use what you have learned, and acid reflux will be waving goodbye. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.